Good evening. Great. It's really good to see, each Vodafone family here. This looks like a Vodafone family. We are going to start the event now, and we have a very special guest who's going to come here. That special guest is, I would not call that guest to be special, but that guest is electrifying. This special guest introduction would happen with our own angry young man. I leave it up to him. Let him introduce our special guest. Wait and watch, please. And have a nice evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, good. Hi, Vodafone Mumbai. All you super people of Vodafone, good evening. आपको पता नहीं कितना मजा आता है दूसरे साइड से लोगों की आवाज सुनने में. सुबह सुबह रेडियो पे बोल बोल के अपने आप के कान खाने से I always feel that actually only me and my mother are listening. So it's really nice to hear people say good evening. Good evening, Vodafone Mumbai. And with that, give yourselves a big hand. Such a big day for you. You know what is absolutely amazing for me? पहले तो मैं अपना नाम बता दूं. मेरा नाम मलिश्का है. मुझे प्यार से मुंबई की रानी भी कहते हैं. नाम तो सुना होगा, है ना? और क्यों नहीं? For me, it's a big deal to stand in front of you. क्योंकि ये शो के लिए हाँ बोलने से पहले मैंने कहा क्या मैं साक्षात उन लोगों से मिलने जा रही हूँ, उन लोगों से जिन्होंने मेरे करियर के सारे सालों में, मेरी जवानी के सारे सालों में मेरा साथ दिया. I mean, coming to think about it, all those phone calls I make to Shah Rukh Khan, sir. All those phone calls I make to the commissioner of police, all the phone calls I made to the Queen, to Obama, ये सब आप ही के दो नेटवर्क की बदौलत है. Give it a big hand again. ये बात अलग है कि उन्होंने बहुत बार मेरा फोन उठाया नहीं है, पर ये अलग रीजंस की वजह से हो सकता है. So I'm very happy to be part of this, to see the team that makes my phone go tick 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 tick. What would I be without my phone, yo? So thank you so much for doing this for me. I'm so happy to meet the Vodafone Mumbai team along with your families. Are the families here? All the families, put your hands up. Now give your Vodafone people a big hand and say Vodafone ki jai. She? खायला नाही भेटलं का? जोरात बोला तरी. 1, 2, 3. Vodafone ki! Vodafone ki! Vodafone ki! Look at that little fellow straight out of Star Wars. He's making the most noise. कोणाचा आहे तो? He's like, yeah, papa, mummy. All right, today is Vodafone Mumbai's yearly touchdown 2015-16. Today is a part of that family जहां हम एक दूसरे को celebrate करते हैं. We applaud, we rejoice, we award, we thank the family in general in front of their families along with the Mumbai की रानी. मतलब मुंबई का वोडाफोन है तो मुंबई की रानी का तो यहाँ होना बनता है कि नहीं? है ना? So I think it's perfect. I must tell you, मेरा नाता इस ब्रांड के साथ मेरे बचपन और आपके जवानी से है. नहीं वेट, मेरे जवानी और आपके बचपन से है. क्योंकि this brand has been with me on my phone through the time जब मेरे पास 6000 का फोन था, तब जब से 60000 का फोन है. I'm kidding, मेरे पास 60000 का फोन नहीं, but it sounds good कि मुंबई की रानी के पास 60000 का फोन है. So this brand has been with me forever through my first job, through my good friends, through my very good friends. It has been with me throughout. Coming to think of it, right now, I mean, I'm hardly ever without my phone. So I'm thinking, which means if I'm without my phone, I'm never without you. So I'm thinking कि इस वक्त कहीं ना कहीं तो मेरा phone होना चाहिए with Vodafone on it. Do you agree? Do you think I should twirl and see? Who's saying yes? I heard a boy's voice only. Let's twirl and see if the phone प्रकट तो होगा ही. 1 minute. ताली तो बजाओ यार, मैं घूम रही हूँ आप लोगों की. अरे ये रहा voices. Thank you so much. Give voices a big hand. आप लोग कितने नॉटी हो ना, सब लोग मेरे ड्रेस की तरफ देख रहे थे कि कहाँ से गिरेगा फोन. Really, really. All right, this phone is for another reason. While we're here with Vodafone, and I'm seriously telling you, if you come close, you will see that Vodafone's on my phone. This is a great time for us to do what I call a group selfie. Are we going to do this before we start today's session? Okay, let's see how many of you can get into this selfie, all right? This is going on social media. Look pretty. All right, when I say 1, 2, 3, we say Vodafone ki jai. As many people as can stand up, clap, do whatever you can. We're going to be in this one, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Vodafone ki! All right, now this is a video, okay? You're going to be in a video. Come on, Vodafone, let's do this. You know what it means if we put it on social media, right? 1, 2, 3. This is a video. It's happening at the Vodafone ki! Show the world what you're made of, Vodafone! And with that, all right, I'll go on social media pretty soon because your network is super fast, no? Yes, no? All right, keep answering my questions. Tonight is that night jahan par taaliyan bajti rahengi. The Vodafone family is going to be felicitated in front of its own. And before I move on and bring Ishmeet Singh on stage, I have to tell you, meri dadima se jab aapke phone hai, Dadima will come up in just a little bit, but I have to tell you, this phone has taken over. By phone, I mean Vodafone has taken over my life mostly. I'm always on it, always tweeting, so I want to thank you for being such a huge part of my life. Ek ukhana manto. Ukhana mahiti na kaya? Okay, so ukhana is like this. Sonyavar Sonya, Sonyavar Sona, tune माझ्या नवऱ्याचा प्लेस घेतला हो Vodafone. Ishmeet Singh, ladies and gentlemen, the man you all know. May I please have him on stage to say a few words. Ishmeet Singh, give him a big hand, please. The business head of Vodafone Mumbai. Oh, hello, it was you in the front row. Very well.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much, Malishka. Over to you.
Recharge Mumbai, Vodafone. What a super energetic one that was, Ishmeet. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for yourselves. I was there in the back thinking, Ishmeet, how lucky you are to find a host like me. Apart from the fact that I'm Mumbai ki Rani, I'm going to give you this to hold. No, not just because the Queen is here, but also because I'm a Vodafone customer for over 10 years, I'm sure.
Yeah.
You know, and so as a result, you won't get silly questions.
I agree with you.
Yeah, so my questions are all going to be very, very sensible. Like, for example, do those Zuzus really live inside the phone?
Of course.
They're
Ask
so
all our
cute.
customers.
Can
They
I
love to see Zuzu on their phone.
Can I keep one? Can I take one home? I have tried to find them everywhere. मैं अभी recently सोनिया गांधी के पीहर गई थी इटली. वहाँ पर भी मैंने Zuzu के लिए पूछा.
अरे है ना बाहर.
कहाँ?
I'm sure all of them have taken a photograph also.
Dude, are you serious? I'm going to charge there as soon as the show is over. Zuzu! Wait for me. My second question is this. वो जो एक और लेडी है ना जो 3 भाषाओं में मुझसे बात करती है हर महीने क्योंकि मैं अपना बिल नहीं भरती. कृपया अपनी Vodafone. I'm going to try and hit her pitch. नमस्कार, आपका Vodafone मोबाइल फोन इस वक्त काम कर रहा है, यानी चालू है. Oh no, that's something I think in my head. चालू तो मैं हूँ. कृपया अपने बिल का भुगतान जल्द से जल्द कीजिए ताकि आपकी सेवा में कोई रुकावट ना आए. हाँ, करेक्ट. अरे ताली बजाओ यार, मैं जॉब के लिए पिच कर रही हूँ. Does she live in the phone?
She listens only from the credit collection department.
You have such a polite credit collection department. Thank you so much, Ishmeet, for that.
Absolutely.
My final question to you is, are you single? Because I saw you cycling in that one. You look damn fit. Yeah.
No. You can see my son. That's taller.
Hi,
taller than
son.
you.
Where are you? Okay, so your son's single. Hi. Got lots of girls in the backstage. All right. This next award that we're going to present, which Ishmeet is going to give you with his wonderfully muscular arms, because he cycles, is a very special one, which I think I should also get, because I've been your customer for over 10 years.
Absolutely.
This one's called the Long Service Awards, that recognizes employees who have spent more than 10 years in Vodafone Mumbai, constantly showing their dedication and loyalty, and thereby growing along with the organization. यानी बहुत सालों से हो आप. Can we have you on stage, Ishmeet, while I call them? Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand. Because in this zaman of cut, there are still people who can be loyal and dedicated to a brand for 20 years and more. And maybe they have every reason to do so. Do you agree? Yeah? All right, let's see. With brand Vodafone for 20 years and more. Maybe have their names, please. As I play you the slides, Nitin Khanvilkar, Satish Rane, Shivaji Talekar, and Yael D'Souza. Woo! Yes, we are felicitating all our winners. Can we have you on stage, please? Also can we have the PPT as it goes by? So, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you what this evening is about. हम तो आपका मनोरंजन करने के लिए हैं ही, you know, ऐसे ही तो हैं ही, मगर आपके हाथ जो है ना, एक left उठाओ. Come on, everybody, lift your left hand. Now lift your right hand. Now bring them together. प्रोत्साहन पे दुनिया चलती है. Thank you so much. Once more, I'm going to say their names: Nitin Khanvilkar, Satish Rane, Shivaji Talekar, and Yael D'Souza. All right, I'm going to move on to the next category. Thank you guys and congratulations. Live long and prosper, yo. 15 years and more, the ones who have been with Vodafone Mumbai. Shall we have their names, please, while the ladies and gentlemen in the audience bring their hands together? Aditi D'Souza, Lalita Rapoz, Mohan Patil, Millie Jacob, Meetal Vaingankar, Prasanna Khapre, Preeti Rekhi, Prudence D'Souza, Rajesh Shinde, Ram Bachchan Rastogi. Sorry, in case you were wondering why I pointed at his face, he said, I love you. I said, Patni ko pata hai? That one. Donald! Naam mein hi kuch khas hai, sir. Thank you so much, Ishmeet. We will see you on stage again with some more not so silly questions, I'm sure. All right, it's time for something fabulous that's coming up from backstage. I must tell you कि Bollywood और आपके brand Vodafone का नाता obviously बड़ा पुराना है. Bollywood आपसे पहले कुछ था ही नहीं. बेचारे हीरोइन है मैं बन के चिड़िया बन के बन you know they were that variety. Then फोन आया, टेलीफोन आया, मेरे पिया गए रंगून किया है वहां से टेलीफोन तुम्हारे. That happened. Then Vodafone happened. And then Govinda decided, what is mobile number? What is your style number? अब वो सब पीछे रह गए. भाई is in the picture. Have you seen भाई की पिक्चर में कौन सा गाना है? कौन सा गाना है? Come on. Sing it with me. 1, 2, 3. चल बेटा. आप लोगों को सच्ची खाना नहीं खिलाया गया है. I will ask for dinner. Come on. 1, 2, 3. All right, and that's exactly what's going to happen on this stage to represent Bollywood and Vodafone and the connection you all have, the energy that Bollywood brings and that Vodafone, the brand, brings to this city. Your own colleagues putting up a wonderful performance, full Bollywood style. Mein bhai, taali maro, chalo. Thank you.